Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I haven't been around for a couple of months now, and that's because I have been doing a course for a diploma in IT. So I have learned a thing or two about IT from this course, and I thought of sharing it with you. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you most of the most important tools in the toolbox in Visual Studio 2012. So let's go. First, you should open up Visual Studio and just wait until the interface appears on your screen. And here it is. This is the interface of Visual Studio 2012. So here you have a few videos for you to improve your knowledge about C# or coding basically. And here you can start a new project, open a recent project which you have already saved on your PC, or you can connect to a database server like SQL or Microsoft Excel. So these files on the recent are the ones which you have done recently. Now these are all the ones which I have tested and done recently as well. So we're just gonna start by making a new project, making a new Windows form. And I'm going to teach you how to customize it as well. How to customize it and how to use the toolbox to the main parts of your form. So I'm going to name this my first C# form. Okay, let's go. So it takes its time to make the form, set everything as it needs to be. And so you just gotta be a little patient over here. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe. If you have any questions, you can give us a comment in the questions box below. And share this video if you like it. And also, why don't you just give it a like? So, here is our form. Here is the properties bar. And over here is the toolbox. So, yeah, I know in my PC Visual Studio, there's supposed to be Solution Explorer here and Properties here, but it has changed and Solution Explorer comes only when I need it to, when I click it. And yeah, Properties is always there. So Toolbox has all the tools you need for your form. And Properties can alter the customization of your form with the properties bar. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to give this form a new name, so that if you know about C# and you code a bit, then you might need to change this name if you're going to mention it all the time in code. So I'm just gonna put form, no, student form. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's just put student. So, you name it student, and it doesn't do much, but when you code it, it will show the name of student if you are coding for this. So, let's go to another one. Now, there are lots of other stuff you can do, like you can change the border, like, wait, I'll show you. If you want to remove the border, you have to go to form or border style and then click sizable. You can scroll through the different menus, views, and you can check which one is best for you. So if you don't want any for border, you can select none. As you can see, it's just a blank form. Then, let's say this was the normal size of it. We can change the font. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of Microsoft Sans Serif, so yeah, I'm gonna change it to something like Century Gothic. So this is the font bar. You can use this to alter the font, the style, the size, the effects, and script as well. So let's go to Gothic over here. Let's put about 14. Regular. If you want bold, you can have it, or both bold and italic. I'm gonna just keep it regular. If you want to strike it out, then you do that, or underline it, or you can have both or none. So yeah, then you have these scripts where this can change to the way you want. Like if it's Greek, it will change to something like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep pressing. Then click OK. Now as you can see, the form changed, right? So that because when it was here, the size of the font was something like 8 or 9, but now it was 14, so it like became bigger like this. So yeah, sometimes that happens. Then next, if you want your like all the text you put in this form to be like black or white or blue, you can click this and put any color, like I want red. Then how to change the background color of this? You can change the background color by clicking here and putting any color you like. Ta-da! So yeah, background color done, font done, full color done, font border style done. Then what's next? Oh, language. You can change the language of this if you want. You have all the languages in the world over here, as you can see, and you can change them if you like. Then location. Now wait, now if you run this program from here, from the start, it will appear somewhere over here, but that's not what you want, do you? You want it to appear in the center of your screen. So what you have to do is go to Start Position, Windows Default Location, and click it. And you can either go through this menu or just scroll through this and you will get to center screen. Keep that and set that. So yeah, that's what you can have. Then size, you can alter the size from here if you want. I'm gonna put 500 450, and let's change the size to that. And by the way, the right side size is for the height, and the left side size is for the length. I'll prove it by doing a straight one at 600 and 300. See, this one is smaller and the height is smaller, so that proves it, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it somewhere here, and let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much how to customize your form. Yeah, so now what I'm going to show you are parts that you can use. Okay, so first I'm going to put all these wait, let me just check. Buttons. Now, as you can see, this button's text is red, as I did over here. 4 color is for the text color. So yeah, then checkbox, combo box, label, menu strip, picture box, panel, and text box. So these are some of the minor parts in the toolbox which are very familiar to all of us. So panels, you can use it to like give a color somewhere, like I'll show you. I'll change this one's background color to red. So as you can see, this is a panel. So I'm gonna go to dock and then click that and scroll through the menus. You can see the place of it is changing. That's because it's a panel. It's supposed to change. So you can keep it there. And you can take another panel and put it to the right, and another panel to put it onto the bottom. So yeah, it will be like an actual form. So I'll just show you that right now. Panel. And just change the background color to red. Then dock to right. Okay. Now as you can see, the 2 borders are done. And the 3rd border, I'm just going to bring another panel and then keep it over here, blue to red, then dock to bottom and put it to the lowest way. Put it to the bottom, and then there you have 3 borders on your form. Okay, so I'm going to put my picture box here to like put a picture on it later. So what is this menu strip? So when you type over here, like let's say it's something like a Word document, it's like something like Microsoft Word, you'll put file, put save as, save, open, delete, new, and reset. Now under new, you can type here document. That's just I think it's all Excel, PowerPoint, and everything. Document, database, and slideshow. Presentation. Sorry, presentation. Okay. So if you want to write stuff under that, just click on the right side over here, and you can write it. So yeah, here we have options over here. Then you can type another one over here, like edit. You can type under that, undo, redo, highlight, change font, change color, and under this let's put font color and background. Okay, that's enough. Now we have two menus over here, and both of them have sections under it, and one of those both have sections under those as well. So now I'll show you how to put an image to the image box. So just do that, and then click this tiny arrow. It's really hard to see, but still, that's how you put an image. So yeah, so you have to click choose image after clicking this tiny arrow. Choose image, and then it should be project resource file, and click import. Then, as you can see now, I have a few car pictures here, so yeah, I'm gonna just choose a picture. Just take something like this and put it in that. Now, as you can see, this is the actual size of the picture. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click OK. And now what I'm gonna do, now you can only see the clouds. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click this normal option and then click stretch image. And then as you stretch this image box, the picture will stretch with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this like that, somewhere, yeah, and then put it over here. Now I'm gonna take this label, then just gonna do that, and that. Oh, and by the way, comment on this video if you have any questions. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and paste it because I have something in mind, and then just click this button, make it longer. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the text in this button. What you have to do, you have to go to this properties bar and then click text, and then change it to the way you like. I'm going to put something like login. Okay, and then I'm going to take this label 1, copy it, and paste 1, 2, 3 more. Yeah, 1 over here, 1 over here. Now as you're trying to align it, you will get some lines which will help you to make it straight, and I mean dead straight. So yeah, now we do that. Now we have a few options here. Now I'll show you how to select all of them. It's a bit like files. You have to click somewhere and then drag it, and then let it go after it's covered all of these, and then all of them get selected. You can just take one anywhere, and then you can just move it everywhere. So that's it. Then I'm just going to remove this, sorry. Let's put this bit down, yeah. I'm just going to make the text in this to male, this to female, this to gender, this to date, sorry. This one to DOB, and this to okay, sorry, not DOB, birth month. Okay, so yeah, birth month. And now, even though this is like looking like a drop down menu from here, you can't actually do anything if you don't program it to. So yeah, what you have to do, you have to click on it again, like the image box with the small arrow. It also has, this one also has a small arrow, so click on that, go to edit items, and then you can like type in all the data you want it to have. So I'm going to type the first 3 letters of every month. Okay, so that's January, February, March, April, May. Sorry, no, May. Oh. May, okay. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So click OK. Then all of those items will be stored in this arrow, and when you click it, it will come. So this is a text box, and I'm just going to move these 3 a bit to this side, and these also to this side. Actually, I don't need to move this one more this way because it's just gender and that doesn't take up much space. But what I have to do, I have to move this one to this side because, you know, names are a bit long. Okay, so we have made our basic form with the menu, the picture, the form, like checkboxes, labels, text boxes, combo boxes, and a button, and panels. So why don't we start running it so that we can check what it's actually like. So it has said build started and build succeeded. So there you go. This is our form. So if you click over here, you have all those menus. If you click here, you have these menus. Like that, if you click here, you have all these menus. And over here, if you hover over here, you can see these 2 menus. So like that, if you program this to where you want it to go, you can have this, and yeah, it will be a nice border over here. And also, now see, male, female. Now it's multi, like it's like an MCQ. You can tick multi-choice. So I'm just gonna click male, birth month, December, because that's my birth month, and I'll just put the name of the channel, JayK. Sorry, I'll just put subscribe, JayK Tech. Okay, so go and subscribe now. And like if you program to this to log in, you can log in by clicking it. And as you can see, you can't do anything to the image box. You can only do it in the programming code. Sorry, like customization of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So what you gotta do, if you want to stop running this, you gotta go back here and click this. This one is still here, but there's a separate one for this. You have to go and click this red button, which is like a stop button. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed that, and hope you subscribe, share, like, comment, and bye for now. Thanks for watching.